Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to change App Store country to download Free Fire. For example, Free Fire is not available in your country and you are unable to download it from the App Store. So how you can do that? The only solution is that you have to simply change your country or region for the App Store. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on App Store, and here you have to simply search for whether it is available in your region, and if it is not available, then you have to simply change the country or region. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to click on your name or Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of media and purchases. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on view account. And after clicking on view account, you have to wait for some seconds so that some seconds of loading is done. So here you have to click on change country or region, and after that what you have to do, you have to again wait for some second so that a new kind of interface is available. So here change country or region interface will available. So here you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to simply select that country in which Free Fire is available. Mostly Free Fire is available used in Thailand, so Thailand has not a restriction for that Free Fire, so you can simply go for that. For this, you have to simply look for Thailand, and after that you have to click on that Thailand, and you have to provide here all the details, and after that your country region will be changed from your country to Thailand, and you will be able to download Free Fire without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.